Hi, I would like to know why anatomy is important in painting to become a famous artist.
See, anatomy is very important because this have two reasons. One is the proportion; you have to understand the proportion, and second is like mostly whenever we are doing any painting or any art, our main subject is human, and without that we feel restricted. Yes, there are some artists who do landscapes only or do other things also and abstract also, but still in that also you have to understand proportion and the depth and the volume and all these things. So to understand all these things in a better way, we can do any form of art. So if you are a starter or you are a self-taught artist or you are even you have done fine art, you have to be very good in understanding of anatomy. I'm not saying you have to be expert in anatomy, but you have to have understanding of proportion, balance, depth, volume, all these things. So why it is important, one can say that I can learn it from still life and other things, but still life is not able to give you the proper proportion, because every object is different and every it is not a fixed proportion, but human proportion is fixed. Wherever you are, anywhere, any part of the world, the human figure and its proportion remains same. And we as a human being, whatever we see around us, humans, and whenever we see any change in the proportion, our mind don't accept it. So that is why it is very difficult to understand the human proportion, and if we can able to do the human proportion, we can do any proportion easily. So that is why the most difficult part is human anatomy, because the most interaction we do with the humans. So the proportion of human is very much recorded in our psychology, in our mind. Anything difference comes, we can make out. So that is why every artist, to understand the proportion of body to hand and head to other parts is important. Also, what is the joints of bones and muscles, that is also important, so that the people will you can understand what is you are doing and why you are doing and whether it is right or wrong, and that makes the acceptability and the aesthetic value of your painting. For example, you do a painting, beautiful face, but the proportion is problem. So people will say it's looking good, but something is wrong. I don't know what is that something, but because they are not expert, but their mind will not accept because of there is proportion problem. So if it is proportionality correct, whether the painting looks beautiful or not, but it is accepted because of the proportion. Because you must have seen a lot of big artists, they don't do drawing, or painting as it is, but they just have strokes and force. But you can find some magical feel. You can feel good about the painting, because it's not about the drawing or beautiful eyes and nose. It's nothing like that. It's just the proportion and how confidently one show the proportion and the grace and the balance of the body. So that is why it is important to understand the anatomy, because anatomy is nothing but it tells about the artist's ability and skill and understanding about proportion, volume, balance, and expression and grace. So all together is in anatomy, and when a artist understand anatomy, it will reflect in his or her work. It may be anatomical drawing, or it can be non-anatomical drawing. It will reflect everywhere. So that is why it is important for every artist, whether you are a self-taught artist or you are from fine art, or you do landscape work, or you do abstract art, or you do figurative work, one need to understand the volume, balance, proportion, do's and don'ts of the human anatomy. Thank you.